Barbie Porter sa update. Sumali nga si Barbie sa fun run sa FCC Women's Run dyan sa Pasay City. Ito yung mga video ni Barbie.
Hi, Tita Telianes! Happy Women's Month po!
Yes, happy Women's Month.
Hi, Barbie! So, you joined the Women's Run today. Any message this Women's Month po? Any message this Women's Month? I'm just so proud to all the ladies na nakatakbo ko today. Ang gaganda ng mga katakbo ko. I felt very safe kasi I'm around all the women. And, well, a wise woman once said, men have no right to tell women to shut up. Oh, thank you! Thank you! Ito yun!
Congrats kay Barbie.
Saya!
10K kilometers na po na
Alam mo,
Barbie.
hindi ko alam kung wearing the right shoes really makes a lot of difference talaga. I really felt so light on my feet. Hindi kasi train yung legs ko talaga to run, aamin ko. So, may mga pag medyo nakakalayo na ng kilometer, medyo bumibigat na. What distance are you? 10 kilometers.
Yeah.
Hindi ko akalain na makaka-clear ako today kasi I really just enjoyed my run. Pero yun, thankfully naka-clear ako. I'm so happy. But, I ran for 1 hour 14, I think. 1 hour 14. What can you say naman na it's International Women's Day and then this is the Women's Run? Yes. Yeah, any message? Maybe I can just quote my character from Maria Clara Tibara, Client Fantes. Men have no right to tell women to shut up.
Yeah.
Happy Women's Month, everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. If you featured in action vlog, stay tuned for more videos. See ya!